बोलने के लिए। Yes, come on, Divyanshi.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Divyanshi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes B6. Today is our topic about examination. We all know about examination and we have to face the examination. Examination is a period of some days when we must study and we
Shabash.
have to study hard
Very good.
because our parents and our teachers want good marks
Hmm.
uh, and he they think that uh, if the student get good marks they study good and the students get not good marks that does not they do not study hard. They think only that marks is everything, but I think that marks is not everything. Uh, we must understand all things, and our marks doesn't decide that our future.
Hmm. शाबाश,
Uh,
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
yes, sir. Uh, in the examination stage, we we must early we must get up in early and we have to study. We have a burden of study uh, because of we want good marks and we want to show that we are good students and some students think that examination we they should give up and they think that lockdown take place
Hmm.
by which
शाबाश।
our
Hmm.
examination cancel.
Hmm.
But it is necessary that we face examination by which we can know that what is our place in our class.
शाबाश।
That's it, sir. Thank
बहुत
you.
बढ़िया बोला, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोला, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन नेक्स्ट। नहीं मानोगे ऐसे। प्रिया, प्रिया, हेलो प्रिया।
सर निशा के बाद बोल दूं?
नहीं, तुम पहले बोलोगे, बोलो फटाफट।
ठीक है सर।
बोलो।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Priya Meena, and as we all know very well that today's our topic is on our favorite teacher. So I I tell you about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta.
Hmm.
He is about 45 years old,
Hmm.
and first time I met him in my school, and, and that time I was in eighth class.
Hmm.
Uh, I thought that he is very strict teacher, but slowly I felt that he is not strict.
Hmm.
But uh, but when I didn't talk him a lot because I don't know him.
Hmm.
But in ninth class, सर मैं धीरे धीरे जानने लगी इसको क्या कहेंगे
Gradually, I began
कैसे
to know him.
I
I started to know him gradually.
I started to know him crazily
Gradually. हाँ।
that he is a good person and he is very kind person. He
Hmm.
always helps he always helps students and he he lives as like a friend uh, to the
Hmm.
students.
Hmm. With the
He is not
students.
he is
Hmm.
not like other teacher who always सर डांटने को क्या बोलते हैं who all
Squads.
who
हाँ।
scolds who always scold upon the uh, students and take bur- take burden to them, sorry, give burden to the
शाबाश।
student for the
हाँ, कोई
study,
बात। हाँ,
but he always tell that we shouldn't take our study as like burden.
हम्म,
Mm. And that and after ninth class, I so class लेने लगी.
I started लेने लगी,
I started online
taking his class।
English
हाँ,
classes.
हाँ,
Mm. and uh, and in these classes, I I learned many things. I learned many things that and my English was very bad.
हम्म,
But in these classes, my English is we
my English started
my my English started well
improving।
and good, and now I can speak English, and it can be possible by the Rajesh sir. He
It
is
became
also
possible, it became possible।
he is also uh, he is also my friend,
हम्म,
and he is
हम्म,
also my class teacher.
हम्म,
Sometime he he eat food he eat,
बोलो शाबाश, घबराओ मत, आराम से बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
sometime he take lunch to us and
विदस, विदस।
with us,
हाँ,
and he gives me toffee also.
हाँ,
It is it is really secret, uh,
हम्म,
because he always keep it secret thing.
हम्म, हम्म,
So I like him very much. That's it.
वेरी गुड। बहुत थोड़ा सा और ध्यान रखेंगे, फ्लो आ जाएगा, और थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू करेंगे ना, फ्लो आ
Yes, sir.
जाएगा फिर, बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा फ्लो, बस फ्लो लाना है, बस और कुछ नहीं करना है। तो प्रैक्टिस में अपन रहेंगे तो फ्लो आ जाएगा बस, है ना। ओके,
Yes, sir.
वेरी, यस, कम ऑन निशा।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am going to tell you about my favorite teacher. I read in 10th and Mr. Rajesh Gupta is my favorite teacher. He is a
हम्म,
good teacher. He, he teaches us English.
हम्म,
He is about 52 years old. He always puts on simple dresses.
हम्म,
He is a man of simple nature.
हम्म,
He is punctual in his work.
हम्म,
He is hard working. He does not waste time in the class.
हम्म,
His method of teaching is very interesting. He is not our teacher. He because he lives always our best friend. He always क्या बोलती he he gives chocolates and good advice daily.
हम्म,
I want to tell some line for him. Uh,
हम्म,
सूरज पास हो या ना हो रोशनी आसपास होती है, चांद पास हो या ना हो चांदनी आसपास होती है, वैसे ही आप आसपास हो या ना हो आपकी यादें हमेशा साथ रहती हैं. Now I am telling about my experience of these classes. Before I have been read this in these classes for 1 year. But after before these classes, my English was not well because I had not knowledge of language. Uh, so I am very I was I feared when my examination came because I didn't know that how can solve how could solve uh, paper in examination. When I joined this class, my mind had many questions like that. uh, how can we learn English, and why it is important in our life. Uh,
हम्म,
but slowly, uh, but slowly, I
बस
can do it.
ग्रेजुअली यूज कर लो आप,
Okay,
धीरे धीरे
I
ग्रेजुअली.
but I gradually, I can learn it, and I'm very happy when I can learn it because I know that it is very important and necessary in our life, and I can get success in everywhere. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. सेंटेंस नेमिंग बहुत अच्छी है तुम्हारी, सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया है. बस प्रैक्टिस में रखो थोड़ा सा, है ना. बाकी
Yes,
अब
sir.
तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तुम्हारे को. वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप. यस, कम ऑन पिंकी.
Yes, sir. Jai
पिंकी
Hind all of
ओलाइव,
you.
ओलाइव, पिंकी ओलाइव, ओलिया ना, ओलाइव क्या है? ओके, यस, कम ऑन.
Jai Hind all of you. My name is Pinky Ole. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling my Guruji and my experience. I think English is very important role in our life. There was one day when I I was I was read ninth class. I did not know English and I did not feel good. Then one day I meet Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta Guruji, and I could not write English, but now I can speak and I can write English. English cannot be learnt without practice, and I am thankful that you are my best Guruji, and you teach very well. I will write your name that that one day you proud of me, and I I try to better English one day. You teach very well. You are very hardworking for us. You solve all my problems. You care me always, and you help me always, and you understanding me always, and सर समझाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
एक्सप्लेन.
You explain me always, and you are very important in my life because you are my best Guruji, and I cannot live without you. And my best Guru, and I am sorry. Mm. My best Guruji name Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is about 45, no, 53 years old, and he get up early in the morning, then he does yoga, then he bath, then he worship God, he and he read newspaper with tea, and my guruma name is Mrs. क्या नाम है गुरुजी? कमलेश कमलेश देवी, and my guruji's son name is Bittu, and daughter name is Gati, and he put on simple clothes like pant and t-shirt, and he is a simple man. He like food, chole kulche and dal bati and poha. Poha is very favorite, and chole kulche is very favorite. Sorry, he sorry. My Guruji favorite color is white and blue. I don't know, and
वेरी, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. बोल तो बोल. यही तो हम चाहते हैं कि जो मुंह में आए वो बोलो आप इंग्लिश में. यस, कम ऑन.
I
शाबाश. हाँ,
tell सर शायरी को क्या बोलते हैं?
शायरी को शायरी बोल दे, और तो क्या बोलेंगे.
मैं एक शायरी बोलना चाहती हूँ, इसे बोल सकते हैं?
आई वांट टू स्पीक अ पोएम. यस.
हम्म, कल जब इस युग का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा, यकीन है मुझे उन श्लोकों पर मिस्टर राजेश कुमार गुप्ता गुरुजी का नाम भी आएगा. एंड मैं नादान ना समझूं, मेरे गुरुजी पर सदा आपका हाथ रहे भगवान जी। दैट्स इट।
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने। और रियली आई
थैंक
एम
यू
प्राउड
सर।
ऑफ यू that you have come to this stage within 2 years. It has been 2 years since when you are with me. And yes, I am proud of you. You did very
थैंक
well.
यू
Keep it up, Shabas. आइए
थैंक
पूजा।
Yes, sir.
आइए।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Pooja Masulpuria. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. I am telling about my English teacher and Guruji. My English teacher is best teacher.
हम्म,
He is 53 years old. He is very nice. He is polite person. He is punctual. Punctual. He always with me. He is always with me.
good.
Sometimes he met me,
Meets
but
me.
it meets me, but I feel very good. I feel
हम्म,
nice.
हम्म,
He is simple person. He is he wears he simple clothes
Puts on.
puts on simple clothes.
हम्म,
He likes he likes toffees. I love my Guruji and English teacher.
बोलते रहो शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो, बोलते रहो। हाँ। हम्म,
He get up early in the morning. Then he is yoga. No,
he does.
does he does yoga. Then he go to school.
हम्म,
School. Then he came back. He
comes
come
comes
back
back
comes back 1 p.m.
at 1 p.m.
at 1 p.m.
हम्म,
Then he take online classes.
takes.
He takes online classes. My Guruji is very hard working person. He always he always helps poor and
हाँ,
he, he takes toffees me.
gives
Huh. He he gives toffees me
to me।
to me.
हाँ, कोई
I
बात नहीं, धीरे
like
धीरे सब ठीक हो जाएगा। हाँ,
I
बोलते रहो।
like my Guruji.
हम्म,
My Guruji is best teacher. I love my
हम्म,
Guruji. That's it.
वेरी, बहुत अच्छा। करते रहो कोशिश, है ना। बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
Yes, sir.
यस, कम ऑन। यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashasvi Sahu. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes from Batch B10. Today, I am telling about my sir. Um, my surname is Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is very nice teacher. He teach. He teach.
टीचर्स, टीचर्स,
He
टीचर्स।
teaches to us English. He is very nice person. He is very polite. He gives toffee to us. He is very great teacher of the world. He he la sorry याद नहीं आ
हाँ,
रहा. Yes sir.
हाँ,
Uh, uh,
हाँ,
last
हाँ,
last
क्या हो रहा है?
बोलूं मैं
बोलना तो हमको मना कर रहे हैं।
भूलने को क्या बोल जाते हैं भूल जाना
है?
भूल जाना
क्या कह रही है?
भूल भूल जाते हैं ना भूल
फॉरगेट।
forget. Uh, this is the matter. Today, last 3 days, I request that please give me lollipop. But so, my my lollipop. So don't give me lollipop. And yesterday, I request sir, please give me वो कहता है गाजर की बर्फी. बट सर, बट टुडे सर कहता सर वो भूल जाना.
Sir forgot.
फॉरगॉट बर्फी.
Uh,
सर डोंट गिव मी बर्फी टुडे. आई एम सो सैड.
no, I will give you. Don't worry, बेटा है ना.
यस
मम्मा
सर.
बेटा.
Yes, sir. To this time I telling English because sir क्या समझा देना सर learn सिखा.
Explains,
हाँ
teaches.
sir explain topics so easily because sir think students are very intelligent but he is very नादान को क्या बोलते हैं?
मतलब नादान को तो क्या बोलेंगे अपन यार. मतलब किस सेंस में आप कहना चाह रहे हो?
पर बच्चे बहुत नादान हैं.
वेरी सिंपल टर्म कह दो आप इसको.
सिंपलटन.
They don't understand.
Okay, sir. Students are very in understand. Sir, sir, think. I made a book. Sir made a book. Its name is Raman.
Made नहीं written. Sir has written.
Sir has written a Ramban. Sir has two Activas and one car. Sometimes sir drop me my shop. Sir is very good teacher. He teach passive voice for this time. नहीं passive voice नहीं. Paragraph doublement. Thank you sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश. करते रहो कोशिश है ना.
Okay. sir.
गुरुजी
हाँ
मैं जाऊं क्या क्लास लेने मुझे?
हाँ जाओ.
ठीक है.
Okay, yes, now Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Moy. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from Boston. My topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher name is Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is 53 years old. He teach English very good and he teach their student very nice.
His students, teachers, his students. हाँ.
First time my English is very bad, but I start. Sir, मैंने लेना शुरू किया. सर start ही बोलना
I
है.
started taking.
I started online class.
I started taking his online class.
I started taking his online class, and my English is very good because he teaches how do you write paragraph, speak how do you speak English and translate Hindi's thoughts in English, etc.
हाँ, very good. बहुत अच्छा. बोलता रहे बेटा. हाँ.
And he is a very good teacher. His favorite color is grey, and he wakes up early in the morning. He sleeps at 10 p.m. He is very punctual and kind. His wife's name is Kamlesh. My favorite teacher have two children.
Has बेटा. हाँ.
Yes, has two children. Their name is Bittu and Gati.
Their names are.
Their names are Bittu and Gati.
हाँ.
Their ages are 21 and 17 years. My favorite teacher have two Activa and one car.
Has, have नहीं, has.
Yes, sir, has.
हाँ.
He go to school daily and he take online class daily. His favorite food is सर आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है?
सब कुछ भी बोल दे बेटा।
Yes, sir. His favorite food is dal bati.
हाँ, शाबाश
Sir,
बोलता है
that's it.
बेटा। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहा है बेटा, कोशिश करते रहे ना। शाबाश।
Yes, sir.
यस हर्षित। हर्षित।
Yes, sir.
यस।
Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moria. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B9. Today's my topic is examination. Examination is very useful for us. Examination is very useful for students because teachers know that students do study or not. I feel very burdened in examination hall. Students do very hard work in examinations time on examination.
कोई बात नहीं, बोल।
Before examinations, I do many study for give many marks.
I do much study
I do
for
much study
for getting
for
good
get
marks.
marks.
Good marks. हाँ,
Good marks. Yes,
हाँ,
sir. We have many burden of teachers and parents.
many much burden.
We have much. Yes, sir. Our teachers told us you get much marks on examination. We do not play on examinations time.
Hmm.
I am also not play on examination time.
I also do not play
I also do not play on examination time.
in examination time.
Yes, sir. After examination, we do play only.
Do क्यों लगा रहे हो? We play only. हाँ.
We play only.
Hmm.
I also play only after examination. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत
सर
अच्छा.
सर सर मैं
हाँ.
मेरे मैं फेवरेट टीचर पे भी बोल सकता हूँ.
बोल दे फटाफट से.
ये सच होता है. My favorite teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta, sir. He is about 53 years old. He is very punctual. His method of teaching is very good. He is a kind person. He is a honest person.
And honest.
An honest person. Yes, sir. His behavior and nature are very good. His favorite food is dal bati. His favorite color is blue.
Hmm.
He get up early in the morning.
शाबाश शाबाश बोलते रहो.
His hobby is teaching. His favorite subject is English. He teaches us English.
बोलते रहो बेटा, बोलते रहो.
He is a god of us, for us. M- My favorite my favorite teacher's wife name is Mrs. Kamlesh Gupta. She is about 50 years old. Her nature and behavior are good. She is punctual. She is my favorite teacher has two children. Their names are Bittu and Gati. They are about 20 2 and 18 years old. My favorite teacher sleep late in the night. That's it, sir.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, फ्लो अच्छा आ रहा है तुम्हारा, धीरे धीरे आ जाएगा, है ना?
Okay,
ओके,
sir. Thank you,
यस,
sir.
कम ऑन तनु।
सर सर मैं लेफ्ट हो जाऊं क्योंकि हमें कहीं पे जाना है.
ओके, तनु आ बेटा।
बाय सर. गुड नाइट सर.
बाय बेटा, गुड नाइट। तनु।
Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Maurya. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from West End. Today's my topic is my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Nidhi Sharma ma'am. She is about 38 years old. She teaches us science.
अच्छा, बोलते रहे बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बोलते
She
रहे धीरे
is
धीरे,
a,
हाँ।
she is a kind lady. She is a honest lady.
एन ऑनेस्ट।
An honest lady.
ऑनेस्ट नहीं बेटा, ऑनेस्ट होता है ये ना।
Honest.
हाँ, ओके, बोलो।
She watches TV. She she always comes to
स्कूल ऑन टाइम।
school on time.
हाँ,
She always simple clothes.
हाँ, she wears always simple clothes।
She wears always simple clothes.
हाँ,
She comes to school daily.
हाँ,
She like toffees, chocolates, etc. She helps the poor.
हाँ,
She help all. She is very good teacher. She all helps students. Her favorite color is red. She worship. She she wake up early in the morning.
हाँ,
My favorite teacher us two childrens
हाँ,
has two childrens.
ओके, हाँ,
She is a worship God.
हाँ, ये मतलब she worships God।
She worships God.
हाँ,
She goes to temple daily.
हाँ,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है, शाबाश।
Thank you,
ओके,
sir.
यस, कम ऑन आदित्य।
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Aditya Sonwal. Today I am telling about my favorite teacher.
हाँ,
At each and every step in our life, we need a teacher's guidance.
शाबाश।
Just like our parents, teachers are also important in our life.
हम्म,
They give moral support and encourage us to live equally in the society.
वेरी गुड।
Teachers play an important role in our life to become successful in career and life.
हम्म,
Teacher is not only the person who teach syllabus to students.
शाबाश। हम्म,
Teacher have great importance in the life of students.
शाबाश। हम्म,
In our life, our teachers inspire and teach us about moral values.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, बोल रहा
They
है बेटा।
they treat us like their own children and make us learn from these experiences.
हाँ, बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ।
No engineers or doctor can ever replace a teacher's contribution in our lives. My favorite teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He teaches us English. He goes to school daily. He always takes online classes. His teaching method is very nice. He is about 50 years old. He wears very simple clothes. He does not like to eat fast food. He has two children. He is punctual person. He is a kind person. He wakes up early in the morning. He worships the God. He likes to teach. He watches TV sometimes. His nature is very good. He goes to temple on every Tuesday. Or,
शाबाश,
sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छे तुम्हारे थॉट्स आते हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा, बस इसको कंटिन्यू रखो, है ना, करते रहो
Okay,
बस
sir.
कोशिश। वेरी गुड, यस, कम ऑन नाउ स्पर्श।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Ispaj Gupta, and I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from Batch B1. And today's my topic is exams. Exams means that written test by which one's level of knowledge is tested. Through exams, one's most interested subject can be found. Exams are like stress. We take too much stress in exams. We have to study hard for gaining good marks in exams. By doing exams, we know about our report that at what subject we are good and at what subject we have to study. We have to struggle hard.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, बोलता रहे। हाँ,
Yes, sir. Through exams, we study hard and we can increase our knowledge by learning new things. We should not take depression at exams because it is not good for our health. By exams, competition take place between students that who will score highest marks in a particular class. Exams can decide our bright future, but some teacher comparizes comparison मतलब comparisons between students that is not good.
हाँ, कंपेयर,
Compare, sorry.
कोई
But
बात
some
नहीं।
teachers compare between students that is not good. If we do exams honestly, then then exams are beneficial for us. In colleges, if we score above 90%, we got a scholarship. But exams cannot judge students of one's future. That's it. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी वेल, फ्लो, थॉट्स, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप बेटा, शाबाश।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
यस, मनीषा।
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ।
Hello everyone, I am Manisha and I am the student of Ramban English classes. And today I am going to tell you about my favorite teacher. As we all know, the teacher has a very important role in a student's life, and he or she is responsible for the development of the students and for its future, for his future. Last year, now I am in first year, and but by last year I have been a student. I have been a school student, and I had many good and well educated teachers. But I have but my favorite teacher is my English teacher. His name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is very polite and humble, and he has a totally different and interesting way and methods of teaching. He loves his students and never rebukes them without any reason. He is about 53 years old and very experienced person. He believes in simple living and high thinking. He is an excellent command on English. He is very disciplined and punctual, and he always wants to make his student disciplined and punctual. He never force his students to iterate syllabus or course. He loves his students and never rebukes them. And he always encourages them.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
He is a very honest person. He always try to make his students successful, and he gives equal attention to all his students,
शाबाश.
and all are his favorite students. He is talkative and very friendly with his students. He has so many students, and he has also written a book, basic grammar, and he also takes online classes of grammar, and I have been taking these classes for about 1.5 year.
Very nice framing of sentence using present perfect
And
continuous. शाबाश, बोलते रहो.
before this, my English was so bad.
Before earlier.
Earlier this, my English was very bad, and I always iterate sentences, letters, questions, everything in English. And after joining these classes, I'm improving day by day.
शाबाश.
Sir always helps us. He never wants us. That's it, sir.
Very good. Manisha, nice speaking.
Thank you,
बस
sir.
अब थोड़ा कंटिन्यू रखना प्रैक्टिस को, है ना. In the evening batch, keep yourself continue. है ना, बस एक फ्लो अच्छा है, सब कुछ फ्रेमिंग वगैरह सब कुछ गुड गोइंग. थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस और करेंगे तो फिर खत्म हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम हमेशा के लिए. यस, कम ऑन इच्छा.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. I am Ichha Singh, and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. And today my topic is my English teacher. So I am telling my English teacher.
About my English teacher.
So I am telling about my English teacher. Teacher. teacher is a very important teacher role is a very important role in our life because teacher teacher every teaches in good teach
मतलब
क्योंकि वो हमेशा हमें अच्छा सिखाते हैं अच्छा
because he
पढ़ाते
always teaches us well, nice things.
okay
Okay, आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं.
so my English teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is about 53 years old. He has two vehicles. He is very kind person. His nature is very well because he teaches very well and I like his nature.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही बेटा, बोलती रहे बस, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, है ना? हाँ.
Sometime he eats. सर कभी कभी वो हमारे साथ लंच भी करते हैं.
सही बोल रही है ना, तो तू रुक क्यों गई? Sometimes he eats lunch with us.
Okay, sometime he eats lunch with us and I like he is kind person. He is polite man. He has two childs.
Children.
He has two children. This name is.
Their names are.
Their names are Bittu and Munmun. And his wife's name is Mrs. Kamlesh Devi. I am proud of my English teacher. That's it, sir.
Very good. मनीषा जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. मनीषा क्यों?
May I leave, sir?
हाँ, मनीषा जाओ, बस एक जना और बचा है हमारे पास में, और निकिता. मनीष, इच्छा बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी, है ना? आप बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, आपको कोई चिंता मत करो आप. यस मनीषा, सॉरी निकिता, आ जा बेटा. हाँ बेटा, हाँ बोल.
मैं जो भी बोलूंगी अपने मन से बोलूंगी.
हाँ, अपने मन से ही बोलना है बेटा, बोल.
This year I went to a new school.
हाँ.
There are many teachers. I was more attracted to the English teacher.
हाँ.
Okay. My English teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is 54 years old. My English was always weak.
शाबाश बेटा, बोलती रहे बेटा. हाँ.
So a girl told me that he gives online classes. So I started. So I started. Sir, I need a.
Alright, so I started taking his class.
Then he started knowing me.
हाँ, शाबाश, बोलते रहो तुम, घबरा, अच्छा आ रहा है. हाँ.
Started taking online class with him.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Before I did not know anything about him.
शाबाश, बोलते रहो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बोलो. हाँ.
So before I know about him, his method of teaching is good. He is very funny by nature. He is very caring
शाबाश। हाँ भैया बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे बेटा, बोलती रहे।
He likes discipline.
हाँ
He helps poor students.
हाँ,
He always trusts me.
वेरी गुड।
He always सब confidence बढ़ाने क्या बोलते हैं?
He always increase our confidence.
He always increase my confidence.
हाँ
He is very afraid of his wife.
बोल। हाँ
Because his wife do housework.
हाँ,
सिर्फ बर्तन धोने के बोलते हैं।
पागल है क्या तू?
सर मैंने बोला था ना मन से बोलो।
तू मन से बोलेगी, अब तो कुछ भी बोले, धोने को वॉश, बर्तन को वेसल्स, बोल ले, तू बोल ले बेटा, बोल ले बेटा।
बर्तन को
हाँ, बर्तन को वेसल्स, वेसल्स।
washing vessels and peeling pear.
हाँ हाँ
And he always tell us about it.
हाँ,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला।
सर बहुत अच्छा बोला है,
बहुत बढ़िया बोला तुमने, शाबाश, वेरी
की सारी
गुड,
सच्चाई बता दी।
You were speaking very nice.
वेरी गुड।